अस्सलाम वालेकुम वीवर्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज इंट्रोडक्शन ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का थर्ड क्लास है। जिसने भी क्लास 1 एंड क्लास 2 नहीं देखे हो उसका लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया गया है। सो टुडेस टॉपिक इज ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज ऑफ डिफरेंट एंगल्स। Now let's start with sine of 0 degree. Okay, sine of angle theta means sine of 0 degree. So sine of 0 degree, what is sine of 0 degree? 0 degree will be 0. Okay, sine of 30 degree. Now where is 30 degree? 30 degree is here at A. So what is the formula of sine? In class 1 we have studied. It is opposite upon hypotenuse. So what is opposite of 30 degree? It is 1. So 1 upon hypotenuse. So half. Now sine of 45 degree. Here also there is 45 degree and here also. Right? So you can measure any side. So 45, let's see this. 45 degree means opposite side upon hypotenuse. So this will be 1 upon root 2. Now sine of 60 degree. 60 degree is here, opposite upon hypotenuse. That means root 3 by 2. Again sine of 90 degree is 1. Okay, you have to remember this. There is one easy trick to remember this sine angles. उसका भी लिंक आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. Okay, so check. Now we will find the values of cos. So cos of 0 degree, यहाँ पे आपको कुछ याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर आपको ये फर्स्ट लाइन अगर याद है तो बाकी के आप सारे वैल्यूज आराम से फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल जो साइन का है 0 हाफ 1 अपॉन रूट 2 रूट 3 बाई 2 एंड 1, इसको हम उल्टा लिखेंगे 1 रूट 3 बाई 2 1 बाई रूट 2 हाफ एंड 0. फिर 10 का वैल्यू क्या है? 10 इज साइन थीटा अपॉन कॉस थीटा. तो इसे 0 बाई 1 विल बी 0. न्यूमरेटर ऑफ दिस एंड न्यूमरेटर ऑफ दिस वी हैव टू राइट. सो हियर 1 अपॉन रूट 3. Numerator of this is 1 and numerator of this is 1. So 1 upon 1, this will be 1. Numerator of this is root 3 and this is 1, so root 3. And numerator 1 upon 0 is not defined. Now cosec. How will find cosec? Cosec is inverse of sine. So 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0 will be not defined. Then here you have to do inverse of this. This will come up, this will go down. So this will be 2. This will go up, this will come down, then this will be root 2. This will come up, this will go down, this will be 2 upon root 3. And this will be 1. Sec is inverse of cos. So this will be 1. This will be 2 by root 3, ulta of this, okay. Then this will be root 2. This will be 2. And this will be, and this is not defined. How we write 10? The formula of 10 is sine upon cos. Similarly, the formula of cot is cos upon sine. And cot is also inverse of 10. So this will be, so inverse of 10 will be 0 upon 0 will be not defined. 1 upon root 2 means root 3 by 1. So we will write root 3. This will be 1. This will be 1 upon root 3. And this is, and this will be 0.